Hello! So, here we are again, drawing tiny when I can just as easily draw big. Anyway, today we're doing Faye Valentine from Cowboy Bebop. Faye. My future ex-girlfriend. Faye Valentine was rudely awakened from her blissful cryogenic sleep after being healed from her life-threatening injuries she sustained in an interplanetary accident by a certain Dr. Bacchus. The thing is, the accident was 54 years ago, hence the cryogenic sleep. Forced to pay the 300 wurong debt she had accumulated for her treatment, she runs away and eventually becomes a con woman of sorts, thus crossing paths with Spike and the rest of the crew of the Bebop. In spite of her trust issues, she eventually developed a sense of family with the Bebop crew, and they were instrumental in helping Faye face the truth of her past. Faye Valentine definitely added more flavor to the entire anime, crafted to complement the rest of the crew despite of her, complications. That said, it was a roller coaster ride down to the very end, culminating in a very spectacular finale, Cowboy Bebop style. Catch the anime and the movie, forget the live action remake on Netflix, forget it. Anyway, guys, I give to you Faye Valentine from Cowboy Bebop. Enjoy.